Hello, my name is Lily Higgins, and this is my science fair project, Effects of Caffeine on the Regeneration of Planaria. So planaria are a type of aquatic flatworm that are able to regenerate body parts using neoblasts. I tested them in caffeine, which is a drug that stimulates the central nervous system. The coffee that I used is from Starbucks coffee and contains 195 milligrams of caffeine. So my research question was, what effect will caffeine have on the regeneration of blonde planaria? And my hypothesis is that planaria will regenerate faster in the higher concentrations of caffeine than in the lower concentrations. So the methods that I used was that I took 15 worms, cut them laterally, divided up the heads and the tails, and then measured them. I put each head and tail into a concentration of 500%, 200%, 100%, 50%, and 0% according to the healthy amount for humans. So what I did was I measured the worms every other day for 2 weeks for the regeneration period, and then I created a chart that compares the growth of these worms. So the results were that the worms in the 50% concentration showed the greatest amount of growth, and that worms actually ended up reproducing a lot. Each worm was very well developed and showed a clear head and tail. So these are the charts. As you can, the left is the average growth of worms, and on the right is the number of worms. And as you can see, the worms in the 50% concentration showed the most growth. So based off these results, it's determined that a large amount of caffeine is not beneficial to the regeneration of planaria, and that my hypothesis was incorrect, and that the worms actually did not grow more in the higher concentrations, but actually in the lower concentrations. Thank you so much. Here are my references. Goodbye.